The Chinese authorities announced a further relaxation of quarantine restrictions starting from January next year. This revived the market and oil moved up, coming close to the level of $80 per barrel. However, the asset is unlikely to edge higher on the news from China alone. Only Russia's response to the oil price cap introduced by the European Union can contribute to further gains in oil prices. However, this issue is still under consideration, so it's not yet clear how the Kremlin will respond. If things do not change within 1 or 2 days, market uncertainty will bring oil prices back to the area of $70 per barrel. According to the trading chart, Brent crude oil futures gained a strong downside momentum and reached the levels posted in December last year. As a result, the quote entered a technical correction to the $75 level, serving as a variable support. An increase in the volume of long positions led to a rally of more than 5%. The asset is expected to extend gains if the price consolidated above the $80 mark, at least on the 4-hour chart. Otherwise, the price is likely to make another attempt to hit a new local low. Gold continues to lose about $10 a day, which is largely due to the upcoming meetings of the US Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank. There is still a likelihood that both regulators may lift the interest rates by 75 basis points. Meanwhile, investors are trying to minimize risks, thereby slashing their long positions in the yellow metal. If their fears are confirmed, gold will hit towards the level of $1,700 per ounce. If the central banks raise interest rates by only 50 basis points, the metal will quickly return to the mark of $1,800 per ounce. As for the mood in the market of commodity currencies, the situation is uncertain, which reflects investor indecision. The dollar-ruble pair continues to trade in the range of 62 to 63 rubles. Moreover, the quotes did not fall below 62 rubles per dollar in after-hours trading, whereas they reached 61 rubles per dollar a couple of days ago and 60 rubles at the beginning of the last week. This means that there is no upside left in the Russian currency, at least in the current situation. Things will change only if Russia responds to the price cap introduced by the European Union. Otherwise, the dollar will hit for the area of 63 to 64 rubles. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.